Understanding Bleeding Ears, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the intriguing world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, bleeding ears. This expression might sound strange at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it. The phrase, bleeding ears, is an idiom in English. Idioms are expressions whose meanings are not predictable from the usual meanings of their constituent elements. So, when someone says their ears are bleeding, it doesn't mean it literally. Instead, this phrase is used to describe a situation where someone is hearing something extremely unpleasant or unbearable, usually a noise or music. It's an exaggerated way of expressing that what they're hearing is really hard to tolerate. Understanding the origins of idioms can sometimes help us remember their meanings. The phrase, bleeding ears, likely comes from the idea that extremely loud or harsh sounds can cause physical discomfort or even pain, similar to what one would feel if their ears were actually bleeding. In terms of usage, this idiom is often used in casual and informal contexts. For example, if someone is listening to music they find particularly jarring, they might say, "This music is making my ears bleed." Let's see some examples to understand better. 1. I can't stand this singer's voice. It's like my ears are bleeding. 2. Turn down the volume. You're making my ears bleed. Notice how the phrase is used to emphasize the speaker's discomfort or dislike for what they are hearing. There are other idioms with similar meanings. For instance, "That's music to my ears" implies something is very pleasing to hear. It's the opposite of bleeding ears. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, bleeding ears. Remember, idioms like this are what make learning English fun and challenging. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're a bit more comfortable with this colorful expression. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.